So just hanging on the couch, having a day off after an epic few weeks, wondering about the fact that I have my life and what am I going to do with it. And so I'm hanging out with Jerry. He's amazing. Put the fire on. Wondering whether I should go jump in the freezing cold ocean. So I might go and do that. Report back. See what happens. Bye. So, just heading down to the beach. Here we go, down this way. Ocean! Yeah, I'm going to go for a swim. So it's middle of winter. The water apparently is about 10 degrees. That's not super warm. But I really like the idea of doing difficult things, which is very counterintuitive as a human. Most humans avoid the cold water. I'd like to say I was one of those people, but I still am one of those people. So I've been having cold showers and doing all this kind of crazy stuff, Wim Hof kind of stuff. If you don't know Wim Hof, you should check him out, the Iceman. But I did a Wim Hof workshop a couple of months ago with an amazing instructor called William Frost, or Will Frost. That is his real name, Frost. Dealing with the cold. So, sort of just getting myself ready to go in here. So one of the things I've been practicing with cold showers. So there's lots of benefits to doing all this stuff that I won't go into. You just kind of, maybe I can link you to some stuff. But the reason I love doing this is because it's connected to me avoiding all the things in life that are challenging. You know, there's this resistance, like being a musician and an artist, there's lots of things I don't want to do, like sit down and write a song. Even though that sounds like I should want to do that, it can be really terrifying because you're facing the blank page all the time going, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to do this. So I'm finding it's a really good practice to at least once a day do something I don't necessarily feel like doing. And since I kind of came across that attitude, I've found it in a lot of successful people. They tend to do something each day they don't feel like doing because it builds that muscle of facing kind of resistance, I suppose, maybe building up some grit or something. So I guess I'm saying all of this to maybe it's worth reflecting yourself on, you know, a couple of things you resist doing each day. It could even be cleaning or whatever. And then flexing the muscle of getting in and doing it. Because when we get to the other side of that thing we don't want to do, we always feel really great. It feels enlivening to kind of face something you don't want to do and then jump in, make it happen. Then you come out the other side realizing, oh, I'm more capable than I thought I was. And so I just thought I'd shoot this kind of quick video talking about that. Yeah, so I'm going to go for a swim now and I'll report back to you. See ya. Yeah, pretty good day for it. It's pretty chilly in there, but it's not crazy, you know. So one of the other things I wanted to share was a little mantra, a little thing that I use to get in and do stuff that's difficult, like have a cold shower. So basically, I've been conditioning myself to push past that like little resistance point by developing a conversation in my mind where basically I don't give myself an excuse to get out of it. So I say to myself, straight in, no bullshit. Which kind of just dissolves all the bullshit rationalizations to not do the thing. Like, I don't need to do it today. I mean, I did it yesterday and that's all right. You probably don't need to. And you're a bit cold. You shouldn't do it. You'll get sick. You'll get real sick. Don't do it. So straight in, no bullshit is sort of my little mantra at the moment. And it seems to be working, you know. just get in and do stuff and kind of stop that bullshit conversation in the mind of the rationalizations that actually keeps you from doing the thing you want to do. So I don't know, I'm just like pontificating like a jerk, but hopefully this is kind of inspiring in some way to go like, yeah, you know what, maybe I should kind of push through some of my own bullshit and get stuff done. So maybe I'd love to hear from you about what you think about this. If you think it's nuts, let me know. If you think it's somehow inspiring, let me know. And maybe tell me something that you're trying to kind of push through and get done at the moment, but you're holding yourself back from. It's always pretty interesting. So yeah, hope that's cool. Hope that brought value. If this is interesting, comment below, tag someone. And I wanted to shout out to Will Frost. He's got a workshop coming up that if you want to kind of push past some of your limits and some of your own bullshits and conditioning, you can look it up. Maybe I'll leave a link below, but check him out. He's a fucking awesome guy. So that's it. Have an awesome day. Stay warm. I'm going home to the fire now. Bye.